Welcome, dear students, to a new math session. In this session, we'll be talking about multiplying a binomial by an algebraic expression. How to multiply a binomial by an algebraic expression? We multiply each term in the first expression by both terms in the other expression. Let's see an example for this. How can we multiply x plus 2 times x plus 3? So we're going to multiply the x by the x plus 3 as x times x, then x times 3. After that, the 2 times x plus 3 as 2 times x plus 2 times 3. So here we go how to do it. So it's x squared that came from x times x. After that, 3x plus 2x plus 6. Final thing, we combine the like terms together, x squared plus 5x plus 6. Let's now move on to multiplying by inspection. The first case that we have here, if we have x plus 5 multiplied by 2x minus 3, we have a faster way how to do this. The first step is to multiply the first times the first. So x times 2x is 2x squared. After that, we multiply the means, the two insiders together. So 5 times 2x is 10x. After this step, we multiply the two extremes, the x times negative 3, which is negative 3x. We simplify these as two like terms, so it's 7x. The third step is to multiply the second by the second, as 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. And this part is your final answer. So the answer is 2x squared plus 7x minus 15. First times first, means extremes, combine together, then second times second. Let's solve this exercise together. Find by inspection the following. 2x minus 3 times x minus 5. Let's first do the first by first. 2x times x, that's 2x squared. After that, the means, negative 3 times x is negative 3x. The extremes, 2x times negative 5 is negative 10x. If you combine them together, it's negative 13x. Then the last thing we do is the second times the second, that's a positive 15. So our final answer here is 2x squared minus 13x plus 15. Question B, first times first is 3x squared. The means together is negative 6xy. The extremes together is negative 2xy, so it's negative 8xy. Then the second times the second as a positive y squared. This one, first times first, it's x squared. Means 3x, extremes 3x. When you do it 6x, then the second times second is 9. So the final answer is x squared plus 6x plus 9. The second case that we have in multiplying by inspection, if that I have a binomial squared. In the binomial, we have two terms. This one we call it the first term, and this one we call it the second term. So how can I multiply this quickly in one step? First squared, then 2 times the first times the second, after that second squared. So x squared, then 2 times the first, which is x, the second is 3, which will give you 6x. After that, the 3 squared is 9. Exercise 2, find by inspection the following. 2x minus 3 all squared. So how do we do it? The first one squared is 4x squared. First times second times 2 is negative 12x. Then the second squared is 9. Question B, first squared is x squared. 2 times first times second is negative 4xy. And the second squared is positive 4y squared. The last one, first squared is x squared. Then 2 times first times second. Then the second squared, which is 16. Exercise number 3, the question wants us to choose the correct answer. The middle term in the expansion of 3x minus 1 all squared is what? The middle term is, we get it from 2 times the first times the second. And take care, the second is negative 1. So this one will be negative 6x. So the right answer here is choice B. What's the middle term in question number 2? It's 2 times the first times the second. 2 times 2 times 3, that's a 12, and then A times B. So the right answer here is choice A. If the question in number 3 wants me to find K, so K is there in the middle term. So let's go and find the middle term first. The middle term is 2 times first times second. So it is 4xy. If 4xy is kxy, then automatically k equals 4. So the right answer is choice B. Question 4. If x equals negative 1, how can we find this? Negative 1 plus 1 all squared, which is 0 squared. So the answer is 0, which is choice A. Question 2. Question 5 says x squared equals 16, y squared equals 9, xy equals 12. How can we find x minus y all squared? The first thing that you need to do is to expand x minus y all squared. So first squared, 2 times first times second will be 2 negative 2xy plus y squared. Then substitute. X squared is 16 minus 2xy is 12 plus y squared is 9. If you do the calculations, 16 minus 24 plus 9, then the result is 1. Question 6. If x plus y squared equals 26 and x squared plus y squared equals 20, how can we find xy? Let's expand x plus y all squared. So x squared plus 2 times first times second plus second squared equals 26. We know that x squared plus y squared is 20. So 20 plus 2xy equals 26. So 2xy equals 26. You divide by 2, automatically xy equals 13. So 2xy equals 26 minus 20, which is 6, divided by 2, then the xy equals 3. So the right answer in question 6 is choice A. Exercise number 4. The question wants us to find x minus y all squared plus 2xy. Then when you finish this, substitute the x by negative 1 and the y by negative 2. Let's expand first this bracket squared. It's x squared minus 2 times first times second plus y squared. After that, we have 2 plus 2xy. If you combine the like terms together, minus 2xy plus 2xy will give us 0. So it's x squared plus y squared. Now let's substitute x by negative 1 and y by negative 2. Please don't forget, whenever we substitute a value in x and y, we put its value between brackets. So -1 all squared is 1 plus -2 all squared is 4. The result is 5. Dear students, we came now to the evaluation part. Please pause the video, try to answer the questions yourself. After that, play the video again to check your answers. Find by direct product. Question 1. So we're going to do x times x is x squared. After that, x times 2, that's 2x. Then 3 times x is 3x. Then 3 times 2 is 6. After this one, we combine the like terms together. So x squared plus 5x plus 6. Question 2, how can we multiply this? So x times x is x squared. X times -2 is -2x. -3 times x is -3x. -3 times -2, that's a plus 6. To combine the like terms together, it's x squared minus 5x plus 6. Question number 2, find by inspection the expansion of each of the following. X plus 2 all squared. How can we do this one? Question 1, first squared plus 2 times first times second plus second squared. So it is x squared plus 4x plus 4. Question 2, the same way, first squared, which is x squared, plus 2 times first, which is x, times second, which is 3, plus the second squared, which is 3 squared. To simplify this, it's x squared plus 6x plus 9. And now, dear students, we came to the end of our session. Thank you very much and wishing you best of luck.